Hello, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samil Jaliso, or you could just call me Samil. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this light brown hair color from dark hair using absolutely no bleach. If you hear my dog, I apologize. He's back there acting a fool. But I'm going to show you how I achieve this color on black hair with no bleach. And y'all, this is the most simple process ever. This is the easiest process ever. I advise everybody to do that on your wigs if you do want to get a lot of color, so you're not damaging the hair as bad as you would with bleach. And I'm telling y'all, because bleach will tear your hair up. Natural hair or wigs, it does not matter. It does not matter. So as you can see, this hair was straightened. It still has so much body and it just still has so much shine, so the hair is not damaged or any of that. So I'm just going to show you guys how I did it. So let's just hop right into the tutorial. Okay, so literally there was no method to this. I literally would just pour it on the wig and lather it in with the gloves. Literally, I wanted to get every inch of this wig. I didn't want to leave any part dry. I didn't want to leave any part not dyed, basically, because that would be a nightmare. So I literally used so much. Please be generous of the amount that you use. Do not use too little, because you want it to be fully coated and you want every piece to dye. So I was just going in, pouring, lathering, basically until I just got everything. I would take the dimming brush and try to go through it, but I really didn't need to. The hair was really good and it was very detangled, so I didn't really have to do that, but you can if you want. If it's curly hair, I do advise you to do that. But yeah, that's literally my method. I was just going in, pouring, lathering, until I felt that it was fully coated. As you can see, the wig is literally white. I was not playing any games with this wig. If this wig did not turn out the color that I wanted, I was going to be highly upset. I didn't want any pieces that was still black, none of that. Okay, so this wig was a white, and this is exactly what you should be looking for when you're dyeing it. And these are the results. I let mine sit in for 7 hours. I honestly went to sleep and woke back up, and this is just simply because it's developer, it's not bleach. Bleach, if you did that, your wig would be completely ruined, so don't do that with bleach. But this is just developer. It's really less harsh and it didn't damage the hair at all. This was body wave, I believe, and it made it super silky when I straightened it. So as you can see here, I'm straightening it, just showing you there's no damage and just showing you the true color when it's dry. Y'all, this is so beautiful. I'm so in love. It turned the exact color that I wanted, so I could really cry right now because I love it so much. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned something. I hope I taught you something. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys in my next one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Y'all, this was so easy. This was actually very impulsive, okay? I didn't expect to do this, but I just knew how easy it was, so I just went ahead and did it. This is the color that I really love on myself. I love brown. This is the color that I dyed my hair. So I decided to dye the wig this color, and I am absolutely in love. You can see how shiny it is. It looks perfect. This hair, I think it's body wave or something like that, and it's straightened, bone straight. It don't look crazy at all, okay? So if you also want to see how I got this haircut on this hair, click the link in the bio or click the iCard at the top, and I'll show you how I did that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because you're already here, so join the family, okay? Duh. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.